Our first essential oil. Hi guys, welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Tiffany B for those of you that are new, for those of you that are not. So welcome to my gang. Nah, I'm not starting no gang here. I'm just kidding, but welcome to my beauty channel, and I hope that you would like to join the beauty family over on this end, and you can do so by hitting that like button, the subscribe button. So today's video is gonna be a little bit of natural hair content. So I want to share with you guys my top 5 essential oils that I pretty much use in all my hair products. I'm talking about conditioner, shampoo, deep conditioner, moisturizer, hair oil, hair cream, hair butter. I pretty much use them in everything because they aid in hair growth. So I think that it would be cool to share with you guys what has been working for me, and maybe you guys can try it if you'd like to. I mean, maybe it can work. So let's get into this video. So my first essential oil on my top list of them all will be none other than this bad boy. You can see I use it that much, like all the writing and everything has been rubbed off from the label. Like I said, everything has been pretty much rubbed off from this one because I use it that much, and I had a small bottle but I already used it out, and then I have this big one that is, if I'm not being correct, so this is about to finish as well. So over on this side I will include a slide putting down all the information that you need to know about peppermint essential oil. And I used about 5 to 10 drops. This peppermint essential oil is such an amazing essential oil, and I like it because it kind of gives me this tingling sensation when I put it in my shampoo, my conditioner. It's soothing to my scalp, and I like it. That's why this is one of my top 5, and also it helps a lot in hair growth. Out of all of the 5 that I'll be mentioning in this video, this is the one that I use all the time. Like if I just want to use one essential oil, then I'll use this one in tea tree, or just use this one alone by itself. You guys will know that. My second essential oil on that list is none other than this. You see now, this one right here has a special place in my heart, even though peppermint is my favorite, because this one helps with my itchy scalp. Like no matter what I do, my scalp always is itching, like always. Like I can just finish washing it and it will still itch. But this one, when I put it in my shampoo along with the peppermint oil, which the peppermint oil helps with growth and this one helps with my itchy scalp, and also I'm pretty sure that this helps with growth but not as much as the peppermint oil. And this does special things for my itchy scalp, like special things. Like I will put this in and it will last for days without itching me. So this is why I like this one, my tea tree. By the way, one important piece of information that you need to know before using these essential oil is that when using them, you only need to use about 2 to 3, or I use 10 drops the most in my products. You do not need to use, and I'm gonna put this in bold, you do not need to be using the entire bottle at the same time. Like it is extremely strong, so you have to like put drops into other things to dilute it. So like I said, please do not be using all of this entire bottle in one of your products. Like it's not safe. I do not recommend, so because it's extremely strong. So if you have itchy scalp, please, I recommend this for you. Also, it helps with hair growth along with the peppermint oil. And my third one on the list is my lavender. Look, I said these are my top 5 because they are my top 5. There are 10 on my top 5. What am I saying? I don't know exactly, but I'm just saying Anyways, this one, I use this one this much. Like, I finished this bottle. This is pretty much an empty bottle. I have to like buy another one. But this one helps with hair growth as well, like flat out hair growth. The information for this will be over on the screen as well. So I hope that you will try this as well in your products. 9 out of 10 times whenever I'm using my shampoo and conditioner, I tend to put the peppermint oil with the tea tree oil together in both of them. Only those two I tend to put in my shampoo and conditioner. Now in my deep conditioner, I tend to put my tea tree, my peppermint, and my lavender, and my lemongrass, which I will be mentioning just now. So those four I tend to put in my deep conditioner, because my deep conditioner is like the most important, I cannot even stress the word important enough, the most important part of my wash day routine or my wash day regimen. I tend to leave my deep conditioner in my hair for about an hour. So those four essential oil have enough time to do their magic. Yes, for my hair oil, my moisturizers and my hair creams and stuff like that, I usually put just 2 of them, which would be my eucalyptus. I hope I pronounced that correct, because I had to Google the pronunciation before, I'm not gonna lie, because it's kind of a tongue-tying word. But yes, I usually use my eucalyptus and my peppermint oil for all my my hair products and my hair oil, and sometimes I use my lemongrass or tea tree, but it varies. So moving on to my fourth at my top 5 list of essential oil would be my lemongrass, and I also will be having a slide over there for you guys to read and check out the information and how come this helps in hair growth. So check that out over there. Now, last but not least is the baby of them all, and this is my eucalyptus essential oil. I don't use this much, I'm not gonna lie. You know what? The amount that's in this bottle is telling me that I'm lying, because I do use it much. But I don't use as much as I use the lavender and the peppermint and the tea tree. So it's like I use it much, but then again, not so much. But yeah, this is such a great essential oil as well. I will be listing all of the information that you need to know about this essential oil and how it helps in hair growth over on this. So now that we've been over all the essential oils, I just hope that you guys will try at least one of them or 2. But if you do want to try 2 of them, then I would say try the peppermint and the lavender for hair growth, extreme hair growth. For itching, you use tea tree. If you want a little bit of extra stuff, then you go on ahead and use that lemongrass and the eucalyptus. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to bringing more hair content, some more beauty content, more vlogging, more get ready with me. Anything that you guys like to see, just let me know down in the comment section below. Like I'm really gonna take you guys suggestions into consideration, like really. And leave a sweet comment for your girl. Also, don't forget to follow me or connect with me on my socials. I will be listing my Instagram below, so I hope that you guys will follow me and engage with me on my other platform. And also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell for your girl. Bye. See you guys next time.